That the nationwide dusk to dawn curfew that is currently in force will be extended for a further period of 21 days up to and until the 6th of June.
Hey baby, unye ameongeza masiku za kuchill kejani. I know, my lady, penzi lako kwangu limezidi sema ras na majani. I know, ati hakuna dundai, na vile nilidhani utakujain. Hapa kiangazi baby I'm dying. I know, minta kuona vipi with this lockdown nakupitiki. Ikianza nilidhani ni kiki. Oh no, I'm not changing. No, I'm gonna love you more than 21 days. Missy badiliki. I'm not changing. No, nitakupenda more than 21 days. Yeah. Life can be hurt sometimes. I'm missing your face many times. I wanna be right there with you, girl. I wanna be closer to you. Even though you're far away, I will love you every day. Nobody can replace you, my baby. Oh, my baby. Baby, I wanna hold you, make love to you, baby. Baby, I wanna feel you right here. Karibu na mimi, yeah. I wanna hold you, baby, make love to you. Baby, make love to you. I wanna feel you right here. Karibu na mimi. I'm not changing, no. I'm gonna love you more than 21 days. Missy badiliki. I'm not changing, no. Nitakupenda more than 21 days, my baby. Ati hakuna dundaing, na vile nilidhani utakujain. Hapa kiangazi baby I'm dying. Oh no, minta kuona vipi with this lockdown nakupitiki. Ikianza nilidhani ni kiki. Oh no, I'm not changing, no. I'm gonna love you more than 21 days. Missy badiliki.